This is a bench that I painted for the Vienna Arts Society's Take a Seat project, which is painting benches that will be auctioned off next year to raise money to help the Vienna Arts Society. I used the technique of pouring because I had just learned how to pour acrylics, and it was a lot of fun, and I did it with my students. And I like to call the kind of pouring that I did on this bench pouring with purpose, because then I used balloons to push into the paint. I used toothpicks to draw designs. So it was more than just pouring or dumping all the paint. It was actually working with the paint to come up with this beautiful bench. I'm going to put some of my paint that's mixed with a pouring medium on top of what I've already done, and then you can see how I work with the toothpick. Now I'm going to use my toothpick to draw into the poured medium that I put on previously. So I'm going to pour acrylic medium. This is pouring medium, where I put 100 parts of pouring medium matte, and it's by Golden. And I've added 1 part of the blue paint to it, and I've mixed it quite well so I don't have too many air bubbles. And I'm going to put it on the back of the bench. I've already made this flat and leveled it. This happens to be the same color that I painted on the back. You know, sometimes I use a contrast, but I'm just going to put this on here.
Oh, wow. Nice.
It's a great mess.
I can already tell that I would
Making a
have.
real great mess.
I would have put far too much on there.
Well, I might have put far too much, but I don't know. And then I'm going to use my hands to just move this all over. We're going to see if we can mess up some of all this beautiful paint with balloons. All right, here we go. And then you have some on here, and you can add it somewhere else.
You can.
I'm going to add a few little minute flecks of the blue with a toothbrush. Okay. They're just really tiny little dots. I don't want a lot of this. It just adds some energy, I think. I'm applying 7 coats of Hellman's satin varnish. This is coat number 4. And it has to go on thinly and smoothly and then dry before I can put the next coat on. So I have a long way to go.